Welcome back to the $7 Empire by Dr. M and to the playlist Ultimate Facebook Organic Marketing Tutorial. In today's video, we're diving into the world of organic traffic. I will be sharing where to find this traffic using three key sources: softwares and technologies, influencers, and social platform communities. Now, for those who didn't subscribe, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss a future video. And if you want, you can join my Facebook group, The $7 Empire. Now let's get started and see you next. Whenever we talk about Facebook organic marketing, we need to ask ourselves a question: where is my audience? And regularly, there is three key sources that are able to generate that traffic for us. And this is where we can find our audience. First part or first location is software and technology. We need to ask ourselves another question: what familiar technology or software do your specific audience or do my specific audience members typically use? So if I'm talking about my niche, which is make money online, the tools and platforms that my target audience is already using are ClickFunnels, MailChimp, GetResponse, Kajabi, GoHighLevel. There is so many software. So this is the first source that I need to go look for. Where can I find them online? Where can I find them inside Facebook? Next source will be influencers. So let's ask ourselves this next question: are there key influencers whose followers align with my specific target audience? Those individuals who have a significant following and can influence the opinions and behaviors of my target audience. Who are they? And I have so many examples. Then the next location or place to look for are social platform communities. So which online groups or pages are my specific target audience most likely to be part of? And then I will be looking for groups or pages on social media where my target audience is likely to be active. And I will be looking for private group, not public group. Now that I know where is my audience, what should I do? Well, it's so easy. On daily basis, you have to add 30 new people that are part of your target audience. Guys, imagine that you opened a store and your store is located inside your house and you have the best product ever that you are offering, but it is inside your house and no one is knowing about it. How are you planning to drive traffic to it? That's the way that you do it. You just add 30 new people, 30 to 50 new people that are part of your target audience. Imagine that. If 1 out of 3 are accepting your friend request, which is most likely, if you are working 6 days per week, you will be adding 60 new friends per week, which make 240 new friends per month. And those are your leads. That's your traffic machine. This is what you have to do on a daily basis. Now, on weekly basis, you need to conduct audience research using the 3 sources list that are software and technology, influencer, and social media platforms or communities. So on daily basis, I have to add 30 to 50 new friends. I would suggest that you start with 30 and then you just grow it to 50, maybe later on 100, but you need to just start slowly by 30 and you grow it a little bit. And on weekly basis, you have to conduct that audience research using the 3 sources list. And on monthly basis, this is what you have to do. You have to filter and delete unqualified people from your friend list. Whoever that you send those friend requests and they didn't answer, this is what you have to do. You have to remove them. Now, what not to do? Guys, it's easy. All what you don't have to do is that you never stop doing that. You need to stay consistent. You need to plan ahead and don't wait for miracles. Now that we've covered that part, let's go and see how we can do it on Facebook. So now that we are back to Facebook, I'm gonna take one example from each key source, but it will work the same. This is what we'll be doing. So the first thing, I just jumped into ClickFunnels. This is a well-known software for affiliate marketers and in the niche that I'm promoting, which is the Make Money Online. The first place to go and look for is the recent post. So I will come here, I will click on that one, and I will click on newest activities, and I will be looking at it. So 46 minutes ago, I have Holly Maxwell that posted, and Ayesha is a top contributor. I have 2 comments, and here we go. Thank you for sharing your story. There is someone who is trying to get some lead. If I go down, I'll be today. That was 46 minutes ago. It has 1 comment. So, Catherine Roy, dear friend, I use ClickFunnels too and have set my Facebook. And here you have 10 comments. That is a good place to start. But you need to make sure that you are not going and message those admins or the contributors, because they might ban you from that group. So what I can do is I'm gonna click. You see, if I want to just open that one, I will just click on Control on my PC or Command on my MacBook, and I will click. It will open in a new tab. That's a top contributor. I'm gonna stay away from him. Rinkal, I'm gonna look at her. Tariq, let's look at him. And Catherine Roy. And the first thing when you reach Facebook profile, you need to just check. First of all, you need to click view profile, sure, but you also need to check if that is a source of lead or he's a lead by himself. So Jesslyn, she has 5.1k followers, and it seems that she has a lot of following, that she's having a lot of comments. So I need to be careful about that. However, I just see what she's doing. So let's go and open her link. Oops, that's a bad link. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that's a good way to approach her, because I'm not able to access her link. So the first one doesn't work. So what I will be doing, here we go. That's a very nice way. So I've already sent her a friend request. What I will be doing, I will be messaging her, and I will be looking at her. Hey, Jacqueline, I tried your first link. It seems it's not working. Anyhow, just saying hi. Here you go. That's a good conversation opener. Next way of doing your outreach and adding those friends is to come to members or clicking on that number, and I will be scrolling down till I see the new members that are joining. So look at that. I'm gonna open a few of them. So I'm gonna just click here, click here, click here. Here we go. The one that I'm able to add as friend. This is mainly. And I'm gonna start looking at them. Who are those guys? Here we go. Can I view your profile, please, Alicia? This is the next question. And the very next question, is she a lead or a source of lead? Yeah, it seems like a legit profile. This is not a fake profile. She's not posting that much, but that can be good. What I can do is like her post. Love that. Well said. Or let's just, come. Well said. Well said. Well said. Love that approach. Here we go. And I'm gonna just click a small heart, and then I'm gonna I am going to just comment, and what I can do is just add her as a friend after commenting. and then I'm gonna close, and I'm gonna go to the second one. So that's Adam Mikoni, and this is what I will be doing. That person, what I'll be doing, I'll be looking at what he's promoting. We got an astronomical amount of leads, blah, blah, blah. So we got the leads. So he's promoting already an agency of leads. Let's look at him, but he doesn't have a lot of interaction on his profile, correct? But he might be a good person. Let's see. So let's go there. Maybe he's using another platform, and this is how you need to look at. Stop being embarrassed by your website. Okay. Good. Yeah, do you know? I love it. So let me add him as a friend. Hey, Adam. By the way, good job on your inbox. Yeah. Inbox. There you go. That's it. Small emoji. That's it. Here we go. So, and this is what you need to do with those leads. You need to start adding, and you need to add 30 per day. The other way, so the next one to do is to look at influencer. So I chose Daniela because look at that. This is her pin post. She has a lot of interaction, and whenever she is posting, she's immediately getting comments. And what I will be doing, I'll be clicking on those comments. I'll be looking at those. I'm gonna put newest, and here we go. I do the same. I'm gonna open the newest one. Randy Maher, Jonathan Hanks, Layla, I know her, Orion, and now I have also other people, and I have to start looking at that. So creating legacy, Suzette Who, official account, okay, and I know what is she promoting, so I'm gonna skip her. I'm gonna look at the second one. Okay, so that's Sandra. Pop up. Okay, profile. Very dear friend. This is her pin post, and she's posting her result. Oh, good. That's very good. So let me just like her post. Oh, and I'm gonna comment. Whoa, that's impressive. How did you do that? There you go. And I'm gonna add her as a friend. I can send her also a message. Hey Sandra, sorry to jump in your messenger. Just asking what are you promoting? Here we go. And I have her. And now I will be waiting for her to just reply to me. And this is what I have to do. Look at that. So think about it. Jessica might be a source of lead. So good for me. So no caption. 6 hours ago, I already have 11 comments, 24 likes. So I might just look again at what she's doing, or whoever is commenting on her post might be a good lead. And this is what I need to do. And the last one, it's like, digital marketer group that are private, and the best groups are the one that have already, you need to pay to get into it, because you know that those members already paid and are ready to invest in their business. And that's it. That's it for the 3 key sources. And this is what exactly you have to do on daily basis. By leveraging these sources, software and technology, influencer and social platform communities, and by being consistent and embracing it as a daily routine, you can effectively find and engage with your target audience in the Make Money Online niche or wherever is your niche. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more tips and strategy from the $7 Empire by Dr. M. See you in the next video. Bye.